Welcome to the tutorial for InTax, Indiana's free online tool where your business can manage tax obligations for Indiana retail sales, withholding, out-of-state sales, prepaid sales, metered pump sales, tire fees, fuel taxes, wireless prepaid fees, and Type 2 gaming taxes. The tax forms supported in InTax include the following: ST-103, ST-103P, ST-103MP, WH1, WH3, TF-103, SF-900, SF-401, MF-360, WPC-103, and TTG-103. This tutorial shows you how to register for InTax, change the temporary password that is provided by the department, and update your user information. To begin registering your business, click Register in the center of the page. If you have previously registered for InTax, click InTax Login. Before you register, please be sure that you have your Indiana Tax Identification Number, or TID, handy. In addition, you will need either your InTax access code that was provided by the Indiana Department of Revenue, the dollar amount of your last payment, or the total amount due on a recently filed Indiana business tax return. This cannot be the amount submitted to the department in the last 30 days. Answer the questions about your business. Once you've answered all questions, click Next. This screen explains the verification items you will need to register. Note that if you do not have an access code or the exact amount from a previous payment or amount due to the department, you can request that a code be sent to you. Continue with the registration process by clicking Next. This screen allows you to create your unique user profile. Start by creating a unique username. Usernames must begin with a letter, be 6 to 25 letters and numbers in length, and include no special characters except an underscore or a period. This username will be used to access your InTax user account. Then fill in your name, phone number, and email address. Once complete, click Next. On this screen, you'll need to enter specific business information including business name, federal ID number, that is the FID or the FEIN, or state tax ID, that's the TID we talked about earlier. You can add more businesses to your user profile after your original registration is processed. Once complete, click Next. InTax requires you to verify your business. You can do this in one of three ways. This screen explains each method. Once you select one of the options, more information about it displays on screen. Select the second option if you have an access code provided by the Department of Revenue in a letter or on your registered retail merchant certificate. Enter your access code, then click Next. Select the third option if you need to request a new or replacement access code. The department will mail it to you. This option takes the longest and requires you to pause your registration and come back to the website once you've received the code. Note that the access code will be mailed to the address the department has on file, so be sure that we have your most current address. After you receive your code, follow the instructions in the letter to complete your registration process. In Step 2, select the checkbox to confirm you want an access code mailed to you, then click Next. Select the first option if you know a tax due amount or payment amount. This must be exact. This cannot be an amount submitted to the department within the last 30 days. Now, select the amount type that you would like to enter, amount due or payment amount. Then, enter your correct amount. Remember not to round your numbers and to include cents when entering the amount. Once you've completed this entry, click Next. This screen completes your registration process. You must certify that you are authorized to provide the information and that the information is correct. Select I agree to continue the registration process and then click Submit. Congratulations, your registration is now complete and you're almost done. If you chose either of the first two options to verify your business, that is, providing a previous tax return or payment information, or providing your InTax access code, your registration process is almost complete. Once the department verifies the information you submitted, you will receive two emails. The first email confirms that your in-tax registration completed successfully. This email will also contain the username you created for your records. The second email will contain a temporary password to access your account. If the department could not verify your submitted information, you will receive an email as well as a written letter indicating that your registration did not complete successfully. If you requested a new or replacement access code, the department will mail you the access code and specific instructions to the address the department has on file. Once you receive your confirmation emails with your username and a temporary password, you can enter them here and then click Login. The next screen automatically prompts you to change your temporary password for security reasons. Change the old temporary password provided by the department to a new password that only you know. Pay close attention to the password requirements. Make sure to remember your new password for future reference. Once complete, click Submit. Once you have changed your password, you can view your account information by clicking Businesses. Before viewing your business list, you will see an important notice page. Make sure you review this information. Once reviewed, you can check the checkbox to opt out of viewing this notice each time you log into in-tax. If the department adds additional notices, you will automatically be rerouted to this screen to view the updated information. Click Continue to see your business list. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into in-tax. You can use the menu on the left to add more businesses, update your user profile, such as your phone number and email, and make payments and much more. If you need to add a new business account to your user profile, select My Profile and then click Add Additional Business. The FAQs button at the top of the screen provides answers to common questions. If you don't find the information you need and still have a question, you can click the Contact Us button and email us your question.